Hi everyone, this is Linda Huffman from Stamp Cut and Create. It's Wednesday afternoon and my husband just came back from the mailbox and look what I got. It's my unboxing for this month, week, whatever. My fingers don't want to do the walking, but anyway, this is the new pickup truck punch out of the new set, Trucking Along. I ordered this on July 6th, so people, this is the cutest stamp set. This truck has so many different things you can put in the bed of the truck, like a tree, a Christmas tree, a palm tree, packages, flowers, you name it, it's here. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this set, making some Christmas and some other holiday things. These are snowflakes out of the adhesive back snowflakes assortment, and it's out of the new online exclusive Christmas set, which has the sleigh and Santa's reindeer in it. I got, these are adhesive backed seasonal sequins. So this package contains, you can't tell from the video, but it contains different colors for different seasons of sequins. I got 2 ribbons. They both coordinate well with the new online exclusive or any Christmas project you might be working on. The first one is red with gold polka dots, and the other one is a vanilla with gold and cream colored trim. Then I also bought gold holly leaves, which these are little holly leaves, which I'll use on my Christmas cards or holiday cards, whatever. And I think they were on the retired list. I'm not sure. Then I bought the beautiful, bold, bright and beautiful Memories and More cards and envelopes, which this packet is, I don't see how many, 40 pieces in there. So 20 of each, 20 envelopes and 20 card bases. These are what I call card toppers, and they're printed on both sides. I haven't opened them yet because I just opened the box. But this is also bright and beautiful Memories and More card pack. This I'll be using today, tomorrow, the next day, while I'm working on the beautiful balloons projects from the Papered Chef's kit. I have been cutting out the last couple of days. Here's pieces for an upcoming kit. Here's cupcakes from the Circle Sayings kit. And these are tags, which I die cut using the die out of the beautiful balloon set. So I've been keeping busy, not really producing anything, but getting ready to produce, getting ready to do my streamline putting cards together. So I have all my pieces lined up and ready to go. Then I got a package of medium, very vanilla medium envelopes because one of the projects that I've been working on is very vanilla. It has the backgrounds, a lot of the backgrounds in the card package or in the DSP is very vanilla, and I had none. I mean, I had a couple in the card kit that Kim sent me, but other than that, I didn't have any. So I started with 1 pack, and we'll see, because mostly I use white envelopes, but I do want them to coordinate color-wise nicely. I want a pretty package if somebody buys my cards. So from that, I bought standard stamp cases, which, you know, you don't buy these very often. I needed one, which I am going to store my, Simply Chamois in. And the Simply Chamois is in the catalog. All of this is in the catalog. But I use the Simply Chamois to clean off my inked up stamps and acrylic blocks and hands. Hands are a biggie because when I stamp, I get it all over me, which some people can do it nice and clean, but not me. But that makes me more creative, I guess. Ha! And then last but not least, I got 3 packages of basic white 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Nobody can ever have enough white. I use it for inserts in all my cards, almost all my cards, except for these very vanilla ones. Then I use the coordinating very vanilla on the inside. But as you can see, this was a good unboxing. The supplies will help me along with some organization and some ideas for the beautiful balloons card projects. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day. It's a little warm here in Florida today. I guess the real feel is supposed to be about 110, but the temperature's in the high 90s, 95 and up. It's a pretty day out there until you open the door and the humidity hits you. But, it is Florida and we love it. And we're happy here, so that's what counts. Hope you are all happy where you're at, and hope you're crafting and taking care of things so that you can be creative as well. Have a great rest of the week, and if I don't talk to you, have a great weekend.